Good morning, children. Today we have golden grammar, and as usual, I told I will take conversations class. So, children, take out your conversation book, page number 18. Page number 18. What is there? There is community helper. Yes, community helpers means so many helpers we need every moment. Really? Because whenever you are going to school you need teacher over there, right? And when we are sick we go to the doctors, so we need doctor, no? And whenever anybody will disturb you or don't obey the rules and regulations, at that time you need policeman. They protect us from the thief, right? If you every moment you need milk, you are drinking milk, no? So who will give the milk? Milkman. So you need milkman. And whenever you you want to cut your hair or your you want to something want to looks different, at that time you need barber. And barber, what barber is doing? Barber cut your hair, right? So every moment we need this, all these helper. And you want to wear the stylish and fancy dresses, no? Then who will stitch? Quite natural, tailor. And so all they are our community helper, all they are our community helper, and we need every moment all these helper. So let's read out page number 18, community helpers. What is question number 1? Who teaches us in school? You know who teaches? The teacher teaches us in a school. The teacher teaches us in a school. In a school there is no school, so who is teaching you through the video? Meena ma'am. I am your Meena ma'am. Next question number 2, to whom do we go to when we are sick? Really, they are very helpful. Doctors, they are just like God. They save us, they treat us and look after every moment when we are sick. So we go to the doctor when we are sick. Excuse me. Who catches robbers? Who catches robbers means thief. The policeman catches robbers. The policeman catches robbers. Next question, who mend our shoes? Who mend our shoes? The cobbler mend our shoes. The cobbler mend our shoes. Who drives the bus? Who drives the bus? Who drives the bus? The driver drives the bus. The driver drives the bus. Who brings our letter? Nowadays we are not getting any letters. Everyone sending message through the mobile, and we have a phone, smartphone. So we are using smartphone. We never use, nowadays we never use to write the letter, no? So who brings our letter? But once upon a time it's happened, everyone is writing letter to everybody. So postman brings our letter. Who brings our letter? The postman brings our letters. Who cut our hair? Who cut our hair? The barber cut our hair. The barber cuts our hair. Who stitches our clothes? Who stitches our clothes? The tailor stitches our clothes. The tailor teaches our clothes. Who brings us milk? Who brings us milk? The milkman brings us milk. The milkman brings milk. The milkman brings us milk. So once again I am going to read. Just listen carefully. Who teaches us in school? Who teaches us in school? The teacher teaches us in school. The teacher teaches us in school. To whom do we go to when we are sick? To whom do we go to when we are sick? We go to the doctors when we are sick. Really, doctors are just like God. Doctors are just like God. Every moment we need doctors. And nowadays, due to corona, oh, they are more than God. No? Now, question number 3, who catches robbers? The policeman catches robbers. The policeman catches robbers. Next questions, who mends our shoes? The cobbler mends our shoes. The cobbler mends our shoes. Who drives the bus? The driver drives the bus. Who drives the bus? The driver drives the bus. Who brings our letter? Who brings our letter? The postman brings our letter. The postman brings our letter. Who cut our hair? Who cut our hair? The barber cuts our hair. The barber cuts our hair. Next question, who stitches our clothes? Who stitches our clothes? The tailor stitches our clothes. The tailor stitches our clothes. Next question, who brings us milk? Who brings us milk? The milkman brings us milk. The milkman brings us milk. So children, learn all the questions, answers, which means I will take the oral exam, no? Conversation means oral. So just no need to learn spelling, only read question and learn answer. Whenever I will ask all the answers. So go through page number 18, community help us. Community help us. And at the same time, I want to say something. Reading only 3 pages I taught, no? So read all 3 pages, not more than that. Keep on practice those 3 pages. And at the same time, today you have rhymes, but I will not take any new rhymes. So many rhymes I have already taught. So go through all the rhymes and read 3 pages, only 3 pages for reading. And conversations, page number 18, try to learn slowly. And most probably in next week I will take one small revision test, 20 marks, in English, in maths and in science. Okay, from where I will give the questions, from where I will give the other questions. Tomorrow I will tell everything in my videos. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you. See you. Bye bye.